How to find password settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find password settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile right here and then click history lines and then click settings and now click this one, security. And as you see here, you will find it first one here, password. And then if you want to change your password, all you need to do is just click on it and here you can change it. And that's how to find password settings on Instagram Lite. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.